Idea garage, where the work feels free, turning timber and tools into memory. Welcome to my bathroom. Actually, this is my guest bathroom, and we have a little bit of a dilemma. We've got this window here, which faces our neighbor's house. It's dark now, so you can't see them, but uh, there's really not much privacy in here. You're stepping out of the shower, you expose yourself to the neighbors if they happen to be in their yard. So I've purchased these blinds. These are just simple blinds from Home Depot that you can get. What's the brand? I don't even know. This is the cordless faux wood blinds. And I'm going to install these. It's a really simple thing to do. So not really much to explain. I will go through. If no one's done this before, it'll give you an idea how to do it. Pretty much anybody with a couple tools can do it. I've got drill, I'm gonna pre-drill some stuff, the driver, screwdriver if I need it, but that's pretty much all you need. If you're mounting it, I'm going to mount it actually between the uh, the sides here, so it sits inside the window. There's ways that you can do it above if you want, and if you have one, it's going to be a little bit larger. And there's instructions on how to do that too. So if you're doing that, what you would need uh, a level to kind of make sure that you're uh, putting it level between here. But the frame of the window should be level already, so not really necessary. Okay, getting started. What comes in the box? You've got the blinds themselves right here. You'll have your rod that you use to change the angle of the. I guess you'll have a trim that goes on the outside once it's mounted, and then you've got the side trim pieces as well. You got caps that go on the ends like this. Here is your retaining clips. These go at the bottom down here that you'll be able to clip them into so they hold steady. You've got your screws for all these pieces, your brackets, some other clips to kind of hold this piece in, and various other trim pieces. So pretty simple setup. It's not very difficult. These right here will go in at the bottom right here. This is what these pieces actually will clip into when the bottom is down. So it'll clip in like this into that little hole. And it's just to retain the bottom and move them back and forth. So I'm going to go ahead and get you set up on a tripod and start installing this and explain things as I go. Okay, the first step is install this. This is going to go towards the top. This is going to be at the bottom, facing it like this. This one comes with a little adhesive strip right here that you take off to hold it in place while you get the screws put into it. So let me get that pulled off and set this into place. So that, I'll set this right there. Okay, once you get those set in place, you'll want to uh, put the screws in. Uh, you could drill directly into the wood without pre-drilling, but I recommend pre-drilling anytime you go into finished wood like this. Way I like to set it up is so you've got different parts of a screw here. Let's see if I can get your focus well. So the shaft diameter, and then you've got the diameter of the screw pieces that come through here. You want to find a drill bit that I like to go just slightly smaller than the diameter. So basically what I'll do is I'll line that up and put it in front of that. And if I can still see a little bit of the shaft on either side, then I know that's a pretty good size for pre-drilling. You get that and get this put in. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and put some of the pieces in. And you'll see a little letter in here. If you can see that, that's an L. There's going to be one for the other side. It's labeled with an R. So the way you can tell what's front and back on these, if you look closely, let me take you off the tripod here for a second. There's this little front bump in right here. This is the front. So the front is this way, and that's going to clip in right here when we get it up there. So let's get the trim pieces put on and going. This. Okay, here's the blinds completed. Come down. And we have our privacy. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this and you want to see more home improvement from what is clearly pretty simple and quick to do to more difficult things, stick around. We'll do some more in the future.